Hi there, let me show you how to enable or disable camera timer on your iPhone 15. Let's get started. Firstly, we just need to launch the camera. I'm gonna do it right from my lock screen. And here we just need to tap this arrow on the top of the screen, then swipe left and you'll see this timer icon. Select it and now the timer is off. So when I will be pressing this camera shutter button, the photo will be taken immediately. But if we just select 3 seconds or 10 seconds, then the photo will be taken after 3 seconds or 10 seconds as you have selected. I'm gonna choose 3 seconds and let's test it. I'm gonna press the camera shutter button and here you can see the timer, so the photo will be taken after 3 seconds. And that's it. You can check it in your gallery. Here is how it looks. You can also delete it and set the timer for 10 seconds. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching.